This video is going to be on the male and female reproductive organs, some of them, and the urinary. So it will touch a little bit on both. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, this is the external urethral orifice. Okay, for the male, and then this is for the female. Okay, and this is the urethra of the female. This, okay, let me see. The best way to explain the male, the different areas of where you label the urethra for a male, is to start with the prostate. This area is the prostate. So, prostate. So then the urethra that passes through the prostate is known as the prostatic urethra. Then when you get out from the prostate, then it is the membranous urethra. Alright, and then the urethra that's in the shaft of the penis is called the spongy urethra. Okay, this round area on both the male, this is female, this is male, both of these, it's the urinary bladder. So, and then this is the ureter of both the male and female, which would carry the the urine would come from the kidneys to down the ureter to the urinary bladder. Okay, these little dots on both the male and female are known as the urethral orifices. Okay, and then this muscle is the detrusor muscle. Oops, I didn't mean to. Okay, detrusor muscle of the bladder. Okay, this little, let me erase some of this now so we can see better. This triangular area is the trigone of bladder. Okay. And then this is the rugae of urinary bladder. Okay, the woman also has a trigone of bladder. Okay, and then the male and female both have internal urethral sphincter. So that's right here for the female, right here for the male. Okay, then they both have an external urethral sphincter, which is going to be right here for the female, and right here for the male. And that's the external urethral sphincter. Okay, this is getting really messy again. Okay. You have your bladder, neck, for both male and female. And of course, the outer layer for both of these is the peritoneum. And then right here, and here, on both sides, for male and female, is the urogenital diaphragm. Okay, so let me go on to the next picture so I can kind of give you some more anatomy. Obviously, this is the male. Oops. This is male urinary and reproductive systems. This right here is the urinary bladder. This is the testis. Okay. The skin that houses this is the scrotum. This little weird shaped thing in the testes, in the scrotum, is the epididymis. Okay. And then this little weird looking thing right here is the seminal vesicle. And this duct that runs, as you can see, it runs all the way to here, and it widens right here. Widens right here. So this duct is called the ductus deferens. Okay, and then over here where it widens in the urinary bladder is the ampulla of ductus deferens. Okay, and this little bulb, it's a little weird. Okay, it is the bulbourethral gland. Okay, and then down here, this area, is the bulb of, I'm running out of room, bulb of penis. Then, obviously, not label some of this if I've already went over it. This part, that is the spongy urethra. Okay, here's the prostate. So right here would be the prostatic urethra. Oh yeah, this little area, this duct right here, as you can see, is the ejaculatory duct. Okay. And then right here is the membranous, after the prostate, membranous urethra. And then this area is the urogenital diaphragm. And there is a few areas on the shaft we haven't went over yet. Obviously, this is the external urethral orifice down there. This entire area right here is the glands of penis, or glans penis. Okay. And then this is the pulpus, the foreskin. Okay. And then this area on both sides of the urethra, or the corpus spongulosum. I have to erase some of this because it's getting messy again. Corpus spongiosum in this little area. The corpus cavernosum. And that is not all, of course, but that is some of the anatomy of the reproductive and urinary systems of the male